The reason I called Guardian was we recently bought this house. They did the gutters for the house. We really liked the workmanship we saw with that. And we had an issue in our garage, right over my shoulder here, with leaking. The old roof was corroded. And Guardian came out. Dallas was amazing. He was actually early for his appointment by about 5 minutes, which I love. He was very thorough and very upfront about all the things they could do and could not do. He went up, inspected the roof, and he suggested that we do roof replacement instead of repair. He did say that sometimes you can do repairs for this type of thing, but our roof was just too far gone. I ended up getting 3 other estimates, and Guardian was the most inexpensive estimate. They also said that they would get done in the least amount of time, and they could schedule us the quickest. They were done within a day. They had 1,400 square feet of roofing to complete. Everything went great. Inside the garage is dry and protected. We're super happy with the roofing. We're happy with the way it looks. They had a multitude of different colors to choose from. With this style, they gave us different options on style of roofing. They also told me that they backed the workmanship for a period of time, which I was really happy about. I would highly recommend Guardian for my future use and for anyone out there's use. They're super efficient, they're cost effective, and the quality is higher than everything I've seen.